Alright, the January 7th GreatStockPicks.com highlights from our live trading chat room today. Just a couple to show you here. A couple worthy of making the highlight video anyway. Wells Fargo, a big sell-off here. Some news that hurt all the banks. Not even exactly sure what the news was, but all the financials were getting hit pretty hard. Using a technique we teach called Wells Fargo as a long at 30.78, right in this area here. Worst case stop, 13 cents below, that never got hit, and from 30.78 Wells Fargo went to at the highest 31.73, but almost immediately over the next 15 or 20 minutes to 31.46 for a nice move on very low risk. 13 cents risk, very good on a $31 stock. So whenever we see some kind of panic or something, we'll bring up the chart, we'll keep our eyes on it and look for one of the low risk entries we teach. And Wells Fargo pretty nice there. And a couple shorts to show you today. We did NVDA again. I called NVDA, NVDA, on a short right there. Again, you can see it closed near the highs of the day, but didn't really matter. Our short call still made us money. The short at 1940. Let's see, I have my numbers wrong. That can't be right. This is it. Sorry. This is where the short was, 1940, and it fell to 1897 at one point. All right, I had to double check. That's right, I did. I called it at 1940, short right here. Worst case stop, 1956, so 16 cents risk. And from 1940, it did fall actually below 19 at one point, went to 1897. So, you know, a 43 cent fall on 16 cents risk. Not great, but actually the reason I got confused is also called NVIDIA later in the day on a short again here. So this is another day when NVIDIA, if you look at the daily, another strong close right at the highs, but we still caught a couple shorts in it right here, and a couple decent moves. This one was only about 20 something cents, but still put some money in my pocket. As always, we take profits on the way down on a short and on the way up on a long. And MAS, call it a short at, let me get the number right, I think 13.97, right below this little base here, 13.97. Worst case stop on MAS was only 11 cents above, that never got hit, and from 13.97 all the way down to 13.34, took out the low of the day and everything. So a real nice short there too on very low risk. Had some other small trades today, but not worthy of a highlight video, and I'm anxious to start my weekend. So have a great weekend, and we'll send out another highlight video on Monday afternoon.